Are wooden sunglasses actually better than traditional plastic or metal sunglasses? Let's break it down. Not every pair of wooden sunglasses is crafted the same. But what I can say is that every pair of Joycoast wooden sunglasses are polarized, they're UV protected, they have spring hinges for a flex fit as well as increased durability, and they're created from several layers of wood pressed together to make them more slim, but also more modern and durable as well. All of our wood is sourced from FSC-certified forests, which just means responsibly managed. And we plant 10 trees for every product that we sell. So far, we planted over 165,000 trees, and our goal is to get to 1 million in the next 2 years. Joycoast has over 150 unique styles of sunglasses, and we truly have something for everyone. Extra large, wide face frame glasses, narrow face frame glasses, cat eyes, masculine, wraparound, mirrored lenses, abalone, seashell, we got it all. We got something for everyone. Here at Joycoast, we offer a cork folding collapsible case, keeps your glasses safe. And then what's great is that when you take them out, you can actually fold it closed, and it's great to travel with. It easily goes in your pocket, your purse, or your car. Wood is the best material to use for products. It's renewable, it's biodegradable, it has a lower energy and carbon footprint than traditional steel. And it's lightweight and comfortable and beautiful and unique, and there's a million reasons why wood is the best. We source all of our wood from responsibly managed forests, and we plant 10 trees for every product that we sell. We're on a mission to plant 1 million trees in the next 2 years, and with your help, I think we can get there. If you want sunglasses that are lightweight, comfortable, beautiful, good for the earth, and actually give back as well, Joycoast are the glasses for you. Come on and check them out at joycoast.com and get yours today.